Hello foodies! Today I'll show you how to make a very easy ice cream and dark chocolate dessert called Coupe Dänemark. This is a much loved dessert of the German speaking part of Switzerland and mine is the easy version. I'll be using 100 grams of Swiss dark chocolate with 70% cocoa, 250 milliliters fresh double cream, 3 scoops of vanilla ice cream, some toasted flaked almonds, white and dark chocolate sprinkles. Put a saucepan on low flame and pour the double cream into it and wait for it to come to a boil and then switch off the flame. Now it's time to add the dark chocolate into the cream. Make sure you break up the chocolate bar. Give the pan a stir to melt the chocolate completely. Stir the pan till you have a smooth dark chocolate ganache. Pour it out in a jug. Scoop out the vanilla ice cream into a dessert glass, around 3 scoops. Then pour the dark chocolate sauce over the ice cream. Add the toasted almonds and the chocolate sprinkles to garnish your dessert. You can have this delicious dessert anytime you want. Just don't count the calories, please. Once you try Coupe Dänemark, you will be wanting it more and more. Enjoy!